Number 23. Which is the correct sequence of structures through which a nerve impulse passes in a reflex arc? So impulse always starts, or actually not impulse, but the reflex arc always starts with receptor first, okay? So the receptor receives stimuli or stimulus, depending on how many stops are stimulating. So if there are many things that act as stimulus, you could call them collectively stimuli. So stimuli is plural, stimulus is singular. So the receptors, they perceive or they receive stimuli, and then it sends the signal through sensory neuron, and then relay, motor, and effector finally. Effectors are like muscles and other organs. Receptors are like eyes and skins. And, to be more precise, you should say that the temperature receptors or pain receptors or pressure receptors are inside the skin. So these receptors can perceive or receive many stimuli, and then they give this signal. They convert this stimuli into signal and then send it to sensory neuron, which will send it to the relay neuron and then motor, and then effector, and then the effectors can exert its effects. Hence, the answer is D for this question. Okay.